Right there.
After searching, finally found a place for misal pav. This is the hotel. Yeah, misal pav.
Waterfall on a mountain from the bus.
Okay.
So I pinpoint that location. I found out there is a temple there.
But there is a
no
road.
road to go to that temple.
Okay.
Google does not show road, but if you see a small off-road,
Okay.
so you walk, your bike can go till the temple as far as I know.
Okay.
This is what the map shows. And then you walk little bit up, trek
Okay.
up, and then there is a waterfall.
Okay.
We can see the whole expressway from there. I think that is.
So this is what they are riding. And the road king. This one came off. I think it just. I'm not sure where actually it happened, but this came off. Just keeping it like that for now.
Go slowly.
We'll go
ठीक है ना? जो होगा देखा जाएगा.
I think मेरा bike it will simply slip. I think all the way there. My leg was actually under the bike. My leg was under the bike. That also got broken.
Okay, no?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Sit for a while.
No, that's one we can go. No issues, no issues. Chalo. Feel like my handlebar is a bit bent. Hope it's nothing. I think this road goes. प्लेस बट वहाँ पे आने के लिए कुछ जगह नहीं है. Awesome, no? My soul came off the fall. Now both side is gone. Both crash guard is gone. Our own personal waterfall. Hello, okay. Thank you. Thanks for having me here in Pune.
How was the final verdict?
Thank you so much for
Final verdict on Maharashtra.
Amazing. I had a hell of a time actually. Too good experience. I didn't actually expect this. It will be this good.
You have any trouble, you give me a call.
Yeah.
We have people everywhere.
Sure,
Satara, Kolhapur.
Okay, I'll let you know.
Bye-bye.
Reached Karad. It was getting dark, so I thought of pushing till Kolhapur, but then again Kolhapur would be like costly affair to find a room again. So I found this one. I had a hell of time in Maharashtra. I'm not sure what I expected from this ride. I was like mostly like the Western Ghats and the rain. So when I started at Belgaum, from the Belgaum, like all the Western Ghats saga started. So it was like every day I would cross the Western Ghats on the other side and then get back to this side and then again cross the other side. I'll be riding Bangalore tomorrow, highway ride for me, and I hate it, but there's no other option. I have to ride. Good morning. So I'll be starting in a few minutes. Almost packed and stuff. So my chain is almost dry and I finished my chain loop. So I need to find someone on the way who could actually bring me the chain spray. I really don't have patience to actually go inside the city and find the chain spray. So I'll probably go to Bangalore and buy one. So meanwhile I'll see somewhere if someone come to meet, and then I'll ask them to bring one. I really feel like shit actually going back to Bangalore. My mood is all off. I don't want to actually finish this ride, but I guess I have no choice. So anyway, see you on the road. Bye. I forgot this again. Shit. Wow, I do this all the time. There's more. He knows he got the attention. Doesn't sit. Hi, Arun.
ಅಕ್ಷಯ್
ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಿರೋದು?
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಒಳಗಡೆ.
ಹೌದಾ? ಚಲೋ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಹಲೋ.
Huge fan.
ಏನು ಹೆಸರು?
Akshay.
ಹೌದಾ?
Actually ನಿಮ್ದು ಬೆಳಗಾಂ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ನೋಡಿವಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಕುಷ್ಕ ಫುಲ್ ಕಬಾಬ್ ಪಾರ್ಸಲ್.
ಇದೇನು ಸರ್ ಇದು?
ಇದು ಬೈಕ್ ರೈಡ್. Hell of time in Maharashtra. Back home, something bad is actually waiting for me. I forgot to close my kitchen window and all these monkeys came inside and ransacked my kitchen. So it's everything on the floor. I pretty pissed off. Anyway guys, and hope you guys liked all the compilation of video I made. So if you like, you know the drill. Anyway, take care until the next ride.